Good day. It's your boy Betty, it's your man Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com. And in this video right here, I'm going to teach you two things. First thing I'm going to teach you is how you can actually get paid 25 cents per comment that you make. So basically, you can get paid to do something that you already do on social media. So I'm going to show you that for one. And then the second thing that I'm going to show you is how you can create endless content for whatever affiliate marketing product that you choose to promote. And that's all for just one price of $7. So let's get to the video and let's learn tip number one. All right, you guys. So now we're looking at my dashboard once again. And before I scroll down, I want to actually show you guys something. I want to show you this right here. This right here represents a commission that I've earned from this program that I'm a part of called OLSP. Now, right now I've earned $320, and that's one of 7 ways that I actually earned that income. So of course, I'm going to tell you one of those ways right now with how you can actually start by earning 25 cents per comment on a post. So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down to where we'll find our Comment Dominator Pro. I'm going to access that. And I've actually commented on a couple of different posts already. And I've left one right here so that you can see an exact example of what we need to do. So this right here, I'm going to click this first button right here to actually view the post. All right, now that we have the post up, we actually want to read the post and see what it's actually about so that we can respond to it appropriately. We don't want to just spam anybody's post. We want to actually make relevant comments that relate to what the post is actually about. So take a moment and read through this post right here so that you can get an idea of what you want to comment. So I'm just going to read right here real quick because this just jumped out to me. So it says, in this week's training, I showed you how OLSP members are already living this dream with over $30,000 in earnings to prove it. Awesome. Now that right there is enough for me to be able to provide a meaningful comment because I'm actually one of those people that earn part of that $30,000 worth of commissions. So I'm going to actually add a comment. And I'm going to say this system is awesome. I was able to earn part of the 30K. And let me put an emoji at the end. And I want to copy that right there. And I want to click create. That's actually going to post my comment within the system that's going to qualify me for the 25 cents, right? And now, just to make sure that I'm fully qualified, I'm going to paste that comment right there in the actual Facebook post. Now, a lot of times, or the majority of the times, people will be posting on Facebook and you'll be getting to comment on those. But other times, they will be Instagram posts or TikTok posts. Usually it's between the 3 different posts, but mainly Facebook. All right, so now we've earned our 25 cents. Now on a daily basis, there's multiple comments that's usually listed that you can actually earn an income from just from this one amazing way that you can earn with this system. One of at least 7 different ways. Now, the second thing that I want to show you guys is the way that you actually earn endless or be able to get endless content creation ideas, I should say. But before I go there, real quick, I want to show you guys something. Since I'm on this page right here, I want you guys to see exactly how powerful the system is and how it actually works. So as you can see right here, it says your CD Pro commissions. $14.75, right? So it says comments made 65. So I have my calculator up right here and I'm just going to do the math for you real quick so you can see. So I'm going to say 25 cents times $1.65. Now that says $16.25. And that's because, like I told you guys, I've already commented on a couple of different posts and it hasn't calculated in the system yet to actually post to my account. So when that actually posts, it's going to reflect, and this number is going to actually be higher. So what that means is when it actually posts $320 even, it's going to have some additional money there pending. So that was the first tip that I had for you guys. Now the second tip is this: going back to our actual post. This is a way that you can actually create endless content. Now, I want you guys to think about this. When you are starting out as a beginner affiliate marketer, you want to get clues to success. Now, part of our system, which allows us to earn the 25 cents per post, means that the person that's actually posting invested some money into their post. They actually paid in order to get you to see this particular post. So you're being paid by the person that posted this particular post. So what that means is, more than likely, they created the best possible post in order to get you to see it, in order to comment on it, in order to go viral, in order to gain the attention of other people on this platform. So what that really means, once again, just to fully explain it or to simplify it, is that this right here is what they would call a quality piece of content. As you can see, it has 117 likes on it, and it has over 600 comments. So besides the people in the system that have commented and earned 25 cents, there's other people on Facebook as a whole that have seen this message and it has resonated with them, and they've actually commented on it and they've actually liked this post. So that lets you know that this is a great post for engagement, right? So this is the second way. What we would do is this: we're going to go to one of my favorite tools right now. And before we go there, we're going to copy and paste this message right here. And we're going to go on over to that tool, which is ChatGPT. And what I'm going to say is rewrite 3 versions of this post as if it was for a dog grooming business. Let's say we're promoting a dog grooming business. I don't know why that popped out in my mind, but I just wanted to think of something that was completely different from what this is actually promoting. This is promoting a make money from home opportunity, and this right here is completely different from a make money from home opportunity, a dog grooming company, right? So I put, first and foremost, rewrite 3 versions of this post as if it was a dog grooming business. Here is the post, and I'm gonna actually paste the post in there, and I'm gonna let ChatGPT do its thing. All right, family, so we have our 3 versions of that email or that post written. So let's see what it looks like. So for the first one, we're just going to skim through just a little bit. So it says, imagine a world where your dog grooming business flourishes even while you catch up on your Z's, dreaming of a venture that blossoms on its own, reaping rewards from the services others provide. This is your chance to make it happen. This week, I've unveiled secrets to our training session showing how fellow groomers have catapulted their earnings. Awesome. So that right there took the main theme of the original post and reworded it and rewritten it for a specific niche, a dog grooming business. Now imagine that right there. If you were to have an email sequence promoting a dog grooming product or service or local business, you could actually create as many different emails for that company to attract business to that company. And thinking about this is part of what you would call being a marketing agency. You could actually charge those local businesses for your email automations, for your email auto response sequences, for these 3 different versions of emails that you're going to send out to their potential customers on a daily basis, along with other things that you can do, like creating lead magnets for this business. So, in this video right here, not only have you learned how you can earn 25 cents every time you respond to a message or comment on a social media post, but you can also find quality posts that you can repurpose and use however you want in order to help you build your own personal business, no matter what product or service it is that you want to promote. Now that right there is 2 for 1. 2 skills that you can learn and 2 ways that you can become profitable. Now, if you want to learn those other ways to make money from home with this simple system, things that other people aren't thinking about, things that I've crafted myself and made money off of, and things that I want to share with you guys, comment below for the link or click the link in my bio or description of this video wherever it's posted, and I'll be happy to share with you that system. And on that note, I look forward to seeing you guys in the private Facebook group also. The link to that will be in the description, where we'll go more in depth with different ways of making money from home. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day.